Breaking news just dropped from Anthropic. Claude Opus 4.6 is here, and the initial buzz is massive. This isn't just another incremental update. It's being framed as their most advanced flagship model yet, specifically engineered for highly complex tasks like advanced simulation and robust data modeling. It's a direct challenge in the enterprise AI space, promising a leap in how engineers tackle intricate problems. But what's really driving all this immediate attention? It's the promise of a truly game-changing leap in reliable reasoning and an even larger context window. This isn't just about processing more data. It's about processing more complex, nuanced data streams without losing coherence. The real signal here is that Opus 4.6 is being designed to handle multi-step reasoning and deep contextual understanding that previous models struggled with, making it invaluable for debugging, code generation, and even architectural design. And this update isn't just a win for individual developers or data scientists. This launch signals a strategic shift that affects entire organizations. Product managers need to seriously consider how this expands the scope of what's possible in their next feature roadmap. Security teams will immediately need to evaluate new data governance strategies for the massive context windows. And even business stakeholders should be asking how Opus 4.6 can redefine project efficiency and accelerate time to market. The ripple effect here is genuinely cross-functional. So what exactly makes it tick under the hood? Let's dissect the core changes. Alright, let's cut straight to it. Claude Opus 4.6 isn't just a minor update. It's a foundational shift in AI capability, particularly for engineers. What just dropped is a model with vastly improved advanced simulation, complex data modeling, and a significantly extended context window. This means it can now handle much larger, intricate problem sets without losing its way. For practitioners, the immediate impact is a powerful new co-pilot for high-stakes problem-solving. Think about simulating entire system architectures, from microservices interactions to data pipeline stress tests, all within a single prompt. This isn't just about writing code faster. It's about validating designs and predicting outcomes with a level of fidelity we haven't seen. The real signal here is that AI is moving beyond simple text generation to true analytical heavy lifting. This update isn't just a win for individual developers. Its implications span the entire tech organization. Product managers can now leverage these advanced simulations to test feature feasibility and user flows before a single line of production code is written. Security teams can use the expanded context to model complex attack vectors or identify subtle compliance gaps across vast code bases much faster. And for business leaders, this translates directly to accelerated R&D cycles and reduced risk in major project rollouts. Ops teams will find new tools for predictive maintenance and incident response, analyzing logs and metrics from an entire system's history in one go. So what does this practically mean? Engineers can immediately experiment with Opus 4.6 to prototype and test complex systems more efficiently, drastically cutting down on early-stage errors. It's a call to rethink how we approach solution design. And here's where it gets even more interesting. So we've unpacked Opus 4.6's power for engineers, enhanced simulation, deep data modeling, and a massive context window. But this isn't just a win for individual dev teams. Its implications ripple across the entire organization, demanding attention from every stakeholder. For product managers, Claude Opus 4.6's new capabilities mean faster iteration on complex features, shortening time to market, and enabling more ambitious product roadmaps. This update isn't just a DevOps story. Security teams need to reevaluate their compliance posture today, and PMs should factor this into their next sprint planning, especially for features relying on advanced AI reasoning. The real signal here is how deeply this impacts core business functions. Ops teams will face new challenges around resource allocation and monitoring for these compute-intensive models, while data governance and compliance, critical for security, become even more complex, with extended context windows handling sensitive enterprise data. This is where teams using Claude will notice immediate shifts in their collaboration needs. Bottom line, architects need to consider new patterns for integrating these powerful, context-rich models into existing systems, and business leaders must start evaluating the ROI of accelerating R&D with such sophisticated AI. And here's where it gets even more interesting. Alright, after diving into what Claude Opus 4.6 actually does, let's get pragmatic. What does this mean for your daily work right now? Forget the marketing speak. In the last few weeks, engineers are seeing real shifts in how they tackle complex challenges. First off, advanced simulation capabilities mean you can test hypotheses and iterate on designs way faster. Imagine simulating edge cases in a new microservice architecture, or predicting system behavior under load, all within a conversational AI interface. This isn't just about faster development cycles. It means product managers can get validation for new features much quicker, reducing time to market for everyone. Then there's the complex data modeling. Opus 4.6 isn't just summarizing. It's identifying patterns in massive, unstructured datasets and helping engineers design optimal data schemas or even debug deeply nested logs across distributed systems. The real signal here is the ability to move beyond simple summarization to actionable insights from data you previously couldn't easily parse. This extends beyond pure dev. Security teams can leverage this to model threat vectors from unusual log anomalies, and business intelligence teams can analyze customer feedback at an unprecedented scale, offering clearer insights for strategic decisions. But let's be realistic. While the extended context window is powerful, effective prompt engineering is now more critical than ever to avoid garbage in, garbage out. You need to structure your queries to fully leverage that depth. So what should you do? Start by experimenting with your existing complex problem areas. Think data migration planning or multi-stage integration debugging. Evaluate the cost-benefit for your specific use cases. And here's where it gets even more interesting. Alright, let's wrap this up. The verdict on Claude Opus 4.6 is clear. This isn't just another incremental update. Anthropic has delivered a truly advanced step forward, particularly in simulation capabilities and complex data modeling. For engineers, this means tackling problems that were previously out of reach for LLMs. Think highly nuanced system designs or multi-agent simulations. The real signal here is its robust handling of edge cases and logical reasoning, allowing for more reliable, end-to-end solutions. Looking ahead, Opus 4.6 pushes the envelope for what we expect from frontier models, setting a new baseline for problem solving across the board. This isn't just a win for developers prototyping complex systems. Its enhanced reliability and structured output mean product managers can now envision AI features with greater confidence in their execution, and business leaders can explore new automated workflows previously deemed too risky. Security teams, too, benefit from more resilient code generation and vulnerability analysis, requiring less manual intervention post-deployment. The angle many are missing is how this extended context and advanced reasoning fundamentally shifts the economics of specialized task automation, making bespoke AI solutions far more feasible. So what's your next move? For teams already leveraging Claude, integrating Opus 4.6 should be a priority, especially for high-stakes modeling or simulation projects. For others, it's time to start experimenting with its API. Don't wait too long. The industry is rapidly moving towards AI agents that handle multi-step, complex tasks autonomously. Within the next 6 months, expect to see production systems built on these advanced capabilities become the norm, not the exception, fundamentally changing how we approach software development. Thank you for joining us on this deep dive into Claude Opus 4.6. If this intelligence was valuable, please hit that like button. We'd love to hear your take in the comments. What's your take on this? Will it affect your team? And for more timely tech updates, subscribe to the channel. You'll find a full playbook and breakdown of Opus 4.6 in the description below.